Hi Dutchy crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a burger collab. We'll be using the hashtag Twisted Burger, and the only rule is you've got to use an ingredient that's local to you. So this is what I'll be using. So this is my local ingredient and I'll be purchasing it here. So this is an award-winning farm shop close to me, Tory and Ben's. You can see it's got dry aging cabinets. That's the lamb we'll be having. And did you notice the green egg in the corner? So there we have it, local lamb from the farm shop. And we'll be cooking a lamb keema burger. Let's cook. So I'll be cooking on the hillbilly flat top. We've got some charcoal in the basket. I'm just going to take one of these homemade wax cups full of sawdust and wax to get the charcoal going. So we'll just take a wander down the spice shelf and see what we're going to use today. So we'll take some onion powder, garam masala, coriander seeds, some cumin seeds, turmeric and some garlic granules. So we've had our cast iron plancha warming up. We're just going to pop a little small frying pan on. We're going to have 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. We're going to let these warm up so the oils start coming out. And just before they start smoking, we'll take them off. We're going to pop these into the pestle and mortar and grind them up until we've got a nice powder. To this, we're going to add about half a teaspoon of our turmeric, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and finally half a teaspoon of garlic granules. I'm just going to give this a good mix in. And we're going to add about 90% of this to our ground lamb. I'm just going to keep about a teaspoon back for our next dish. To this we're going to add a pinch of our ground black pepper, a pinch of our sea salt, handful, or not handful, but some chopped coriander and 1 teaspoon of tomato puree. So we're going to mix this in. And the only way you can mix this in is with your hands. So this is going to be our burger. We're just going to lay some olive oil down on our plancha and then we're going to spread it out evenly. And our burger's going on into the sizzle. That's one mighty fine burger. So the next dish we're going to make is onion bhaji. So I've got 2 tablespoons of gram flour, and we're just going to add that 1 teaspoon of our mixture to it. Another pinch of salt, pinch of ground black pepper, mix through. Now we need to add some water. We're just going to be careful because we want quite a thick mixture for this. So that's not quite there. We'll go in with another. So I reckon this will be about it. So that was about 2 tablespoons of cold water. Give it a good thorough mix, and that's the consistency you're looking for. So I've got half a white onion that's been finely chopped. I'm just going to mix that in with our hands. I'm just going to move this burger from here. It's just a bit warm in the middle there. And we're going to put our onion bhaji on to start cooking. If you would like to be a Dutchy crew member, all you've got to do is hit that subscribe button. It's free. Oops. Right, let's give it a flip. Oh, look at the crust starting to form on that. Take a look at our onion bhaji. That's starting to take on some colour as well. So our last dish is like a pea puree. So I've got half a cup of peas, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a little bit of red chilli, the remainder of our chopped coriander, a pinch of salt, a pinch of our ground black pepper. We're just going to get a fork, we're going to go in here and mash this up. We don't want it smooth, pretty rustic. So now it's time to toast our bun. So we just put it in half. We're going to drop it on the plancha and just let it toast up. That's nice and toasted. We'll get it off and we'll check our burger. So I'm looking for 65 degrees C, that's 150F. Internal temperature, I want this medium. So it's time to build this twisted burger. So there's our lamb patty, our onion bhaji, our pea puree. We're going to top this with some mint raita. If you want to see how to make this, I'll put a card above. So that's Dutchy's Lamb Keema Burger, served with an onion bhaji, pea puree and mint raita. So we better get into this and have a look what we've created. As you can see, we've got a nice pink line running through the middle of this burger, as we wanted it medium. So we're going for a taste test. So the taste of that burger is absolutely outstanding. Matched by the onion bhaji, but the real kicker for this is that pea puree. Don't forget to screenshot the ingredients and save to your files. The card here on the left was chosen especially for you.